thing you think he would make? And I can't hear hands.
Tools.
Tools? Weapons. All right, let's get the weapons out of the way. You pull out a sword in the 18th century, what am I going to do?
Pull out a
Shoot
sword.
you in the head. So is sword making something that an agricultural blacksmith from Bucks County would do? Absolutely not. So, blacksmith in this town would be supporting what? The agricultural community. Actually, some color here.
Boy, he's fire.
Yep.
Yes, I am.
And if everybody's really quiet, you can see the color of those flames are blue when I have the air. If everybody's quiet, you can hear the air.
Whoa.
Listen. Still hear the air?
Mm-hmm.
No hands? I actually have two bellows. The neat part is that's now 1800 to 2000 degrees just by adding air. And by just a little bit of hits, we have, let's see, something out there. We can almost cut it off. We could shape this into just about anything we want. Stick that back in the fire, because what's the biggest rule in blacksmithing? Strike while the iron is hot. That is not an, that is a rule. So in this shop, you have to strike while that iron's hot. In order to make the iron hot, what do I have to do? Add
Air.
what's in the air that burns?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. So I'm doubling the oxygen. You can see the flames turn colors. When I get that nice blue, I know I've got about 2,000 degrees in that fire. So I can now take that pointy stick by setting it in here. That's how hot it is. Soft like butter. Not anymore. Now, what do we have?
A bowl?
A nail.
How did he just make this?
Now, why is a nail important? Everybody look up. What do you see
Nails.
besides the holes in my roof?
The nails hold up.
They're shingles. And in every shingle, there's a minimum of 2 nails. If not 4, because the part of the shingle you see, you only see 1/3 of that shingle. So you put 1 shingle, put 2 nails, because you got to put 2, because if you put 1, it'll spin. So you got to put 2. Then 1/3, 2 more nails, 1/3, 2 more nails. So by the time you're done, there's 4 nails in every one of those boards. So how important was a blacksmith in the 18th century? Pretty important. And you got to figure that blacksmiths, all nails were made by blacksmiths up until about 1810, 1820, when they came up with the nail machine. Think about that. So where do you buy